When evening approaches, other predators arrive at the spring. Every few weeks, packs of wild dogs wander through. Often, they pester the locals. This one toys with a female kudu, who's more annoyed than afraid. If the dog were hunting, his pack would be alongside him. Painted dogs live in groups of up to 20 animals and are excellent hunters. Today, they're after impala. Impala can leap 10 feet, but they can't always escape. Painted dogs are distance runners who exhaust their prey, then take it down. They quickly strip the carcass to the bone, later regurgitating food for their pups. Afterwards, nap time. But those old bulls are always interrupting.